Hello and a warm welcome to Mega Technology. Join us as we navigate the intricate world of heavy machinery, innovative inventions, and the dazzling realm of modern technology. It looks like an ordinary man truck, but its panoramic glazed cab can not only turn 300 degrees, but even rise to a height of about 3.2 feet. Why did they make such an unusual design? Fahrzeugbaus Logo Series vehicles are designed for collecting, loading, and transporting wood. Such a raised rotating cab allows the operator to stay in the cab even during loading and unloading operations. In this video, you can see the unusual Doll Logo 12K logging truck in action. The idea seems simply ingenious because it significantly increases the driver's comfort. Wagner offers the industry's most productive and economical log stacker, the L490. This machine is one of the safest and most productive log loaders on the market, with the same reliability for which the Wagner brand is well known. The new model is equipped with much faster hydraulics. It lifts the load twice as fast as all its predecessors. This machine includes double ladders for safe exit and ground-level service bays for easy and safe maintenance. You can see now how new peatland is cleared in Finland. The ripping is done 11.8 to 15.7 inches below ground level because this is the layer where all vegetation and stumps are crushed. The mulcher comes with a 250 horsepower farm tractor. This wetland clearing equipment, designed and manufactured by Schuppe, is well suited for clearing new wetlands as well as maintaining old ones. The machine can also be used to cultivate agricultural fields and wetlands. Different preparatory cutters are used to cut down bog brush, stumps, and snags. The sturdy and streamlined design allows the Tree Terminator tree shears to glide under fence rows and easily cut an 8-inch tree up to 6 feet on the other side of the fence. The Tree Terminator rotating tree shears are 9 feet long from the mounting blade to the tips of the blades. This allows most users to easily cut limbs 20 feet or more off the ground. All in all, working with this unit is a pleasure. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tooth, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. DFM Feller Buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. Process logs easily, quickly, and efficiently with the new Avant mini loader and the attachable log splitter. The Versatoc log splitter attachment cuts logs into manageable chunks for firewood for cold winter nights. The splitting force is 7.6 tons. The maximum log length is 26 inches and the diameter is 12 inches. A 4-way splitting wedge is standard equipment to split the product into 2 or 4 pieces. A 6-way wedge is available as an option. Wedge height adjustment is done manually as standard, with hydraulic height adjustment available as an option. The Rock Hog version of the Model 1150 has been designed for continuous open-pit mining. The drum of this powerful machine is 312 centimeters wide, which is why it is used in excavation projects and open pits. The machine has an operating weight of 50 metric tons, a 440 horsepower engine, a lift cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and Trenchtronic version 5.0 equipment. The Skycut is a pruning shear with an 82-foot fiberglass rod. It is equipped with a circular saw with a rotating head. This allows for pruning at high heights. The fiberglass, an electrically non-conductive material, ensures operator safety when trimming near high-voltage power lines. Depending on requirements, the self-propelled machine can also be equipped with a front shredder with fixed hammers. How can you clean large tunnels? Very simply with the TWG Model 600K flexible cleaning system. The long boom reach and attachments equipped with modern sensor technology, such as the high-pressure washing boom and tunnel cleaning brush, ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Assembly and disassembly is quick and easy thanks to the container-type twist locks. No additional equipment is required, as the unit has its own support legs. The processes are monitored from the integrated operator's cabin, who is permanently connected to the driver via voice radio. The feed bed of the Moorbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Moorbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.5 inches wide, this equipment model features a standard Caterpillar 325L undercarriage and a 23.5-inch dual ground track tracks. With years of experience in designing and manufacturing equipment for the mining industry, Piacentini & Son is able to provide cost-effective and reliable solutions for low-loader vehicles. This is why they have created their new 360-ton Panther Series 2 truck, designed for the mining industry with a focus on ease of operation. The low loader has a payload of 80 to 100 tons and can be adapted to a specific selection of ground-moving and mining equipment, as well as certain mine conditions. After long preparation and transportation, the new Plant Max X2 planting unit is finally operational. In cooperation with partners from Timber, Plantma Forestry has successfully tested and demonstrated on pine and eucalyptus plantations, showing its best qualities. The specifications and capabilities of this machine are quite different from anything Plantma Forestry has done before, but the trials have shown their technique has the potential to be a game-changer in mechanized planting. And you can see for yourself how it works by watching the video. Goldhofer is a global manufacturer of heavy and specialized vehicles. Its wide range of products is adapted to the requirements and infrastructure of various regional markets and guarantees complete flexibility for even the most unusual transportation operations. As you can see from the video, the Goldhofer specialists have indeed created a heavy combination with hydrostatic drive for transporting an oversized and extra heavy load of 580 tons. It looked very impressive. The LTM 1650 heavy-duty crane, version 8.1, has been designed for maximum performance, and the result is impressive. It can easily lift 700 tons or even more. Its rated lifting capacity is therefore 700 tons. The machine moves easily with an axle load of 12 tons, complete with a 54-meter telescopic boom and front supports. However, to minimize installation time, the rear supports are installed as a complete support box in a single elevator and connected using quick couplers. You see a new high-capacity side discharge trailer capable of transporting large quantities of waste in a single trip with the added advantage of time due to high-speed unloading cycles. With a volume of 70 cubic meters and an empty weight of 10.2 tons, this tipper is ideal for any bulk material transport where large volumes of materials are required. The side tipper can transport forestry waste, organic matter, construction, and demolition waste. The cleverly designed wall tilt allows this trailer to unload cargo more efficiently due to its higher center of gravity. All parts of the trailer can be made of aluminum or high-strength Hardox steel, according to the customer's wishes. The new generation of Dynapack rollers demonstrate higher maneuverability and productivity. The new model CA30 is equipped with the most modern solutions, which ensures maximum operational safety and fuel economy. The powerful Dynapack roller is equipped with a unique overcompaction alarm system, which helps to prevent premature breakdowns. The new generation machine is equipped with a transverse engine, which is used in similar class machines. This type of engine provides excellent availability of components and full comfort of service maintenance. You see a modern harvester for harvesting walnuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts, and apples. X16. Despite the small size of this model, it combines all the advantages of harvesting equipment at an affordable price. Equipped with the largest generation engine, the X16 is highly productive in harvesting. And thanks to the multiple cleaning stages performed during the process, the fruit enters the hopper already clean. The Houtkiller 1270 grubbing shears have been designed specifically for removing and processing biomass from large stumps with roots. This technique also copes perfectly with small and medium-sized stumps and other root material. The technology can be easily and simply mounted on any standard base machine. Thanks to the pre-shredding of stumps, the volume of material to be transported is reduced. Another possible application for this equipment is the subsequent shredding of stumps in recycling plants. You can count on low operating expenses and low wear and tear, thanks to the robust construction and the use of high-quality steels. The SLJ series machine of Beijing Wowjoint Machinery Company, also known as Iron Monster, has become a step forward in bridge construction. It not only accelerates construction processes, but it also saves costs and resources. This monster can lift, carry, and install prefabricated bridge sections at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour without wasting time on assembly. The machine is about 91 meters long and weighs 580 tons. However, this is a plus for the bridges because when they are designed by architects, they are given additional resources to withstand, such as load. However, this machine has a significant disadvantage. Its service life is limited to only 4 years. According to technological documentation, the Iron Monster can withstand the laying of 700 to 1,000 bridge spans, which is approximately equal to 4 years of fruitful work. The Genesis GXT Mobile Shear is the industry's next-generation shear, designed for more efficient scrap processing, and is suitable for smaller carriers, reducing the initial purchase investment and hourly energy costs. The GXT model is shorter, higher, and lighter in weight. It is a scrap and demolition shear with its center of gravity closer to the excavator, allowing the model to be mounted on excavators that previously could only carry smaller and less powerful shears. The Unimog flail is a specialized overgrowth machine that can be operated with a serrat head or quad saw and is ideal for discarding thick overgrown and thorny material. This model has a powerful 12-inch shredder that is carried by the boom for quite a long distance and is available on the UK rail infrastructure. These Unimogs are great for large-scale vegetation removal work. This is what the ideal attachable scrap shears for lightweight mini excavators look like. F200C cutter for excavators in the 15 to 18Q range, depending on the machine capacity. These narrow-shaped hydraulic shears are ideal for cables, ropes, and pipes. They can be used for cutting reinforced cables up to 8 inches in diameter, cutting steel profiles, car bodies, cable ducts, power poles, etc. A 360-degree hydraulic rotation function is also included. You see the green cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Bimod. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are two blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. With the piston bully model 100E, Cosbora has taken its first all-electric vehicle to the snow. It is preferably off-road because this is where the electric drive concept can best show its strengths. The hydrostatic drive and tiller drive have been replaced by 3 electric motors. This ensures direct power transmission and an increase in efficiency of around 100%. Compared to a central electric motor, this means a 20% increase in range per charging cycle. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the twin-wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. The Talon 2000, McElroy's largest machine to date, offers a revolutionary new way to wield large-diameter thermoplastic pipe, for which demand is growing daily. It is a self-propelled vehicle with the unique ability to safely lift pipes from the ground, position them for welding, and move them from joint to joint along the pipeline. This vehicle is equipped with a fast-acting face machine and a motorized indexer to accurately and safely position the heater and face machine in the welding machine. Talon welding operations are controlled through a touchscreen operator station that was designed to mimic the controls of other McElroy hydraulic machines, creating a familiar and easy-to-use interface. And now you can take a look at one of the industry's best mini mixers with a new hydraulic system to meet the growing needs of developing small towns. The 3M3 mixer truck is capable of traveling on narrow roads and even in hard-to-reach places. The self-loading machine is equipped with a traffic chamber automatic water supply and dosing system, electric suction pump, and other pluses. By the way, the mixer drum can be raised by 20 degrees to facilitate concrete unloading. Clean railway tracks in winter are the key to a functioning infrastructure. This is undoubtedly what Bella Hack believes, which is why they created their HB 1100S, which is capable of handling up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour. This powerful new high-performance rotary snow plow allows you to quickly plow your way through large volumes of snow. The wide field of application is ensured by high transportation speeds. Even in the most difficult conditions, the track can be cleared in a single pass, quickly restoring traffic. The S450TX can easily enter, move in, and out of confined areas. A single servo-controlled joystick allows the operator to easily move from one operation to another without the need for 2 separate control levers. The S450TX is available with both wide and narrow tracks. Naturally, narrow tracks require less space, allowing the machine to easily pass through traditionally sized gates, while wide tracks provide less ground pressure, which increases traversability. The CX750D is the only excavator in its class to offer selective catalytic reduction (SCR) and diesel oxidation catalyst (DOC) technologies. What does this mean for you? No fuel overruns or extra downtime with regeneration cycles, no particulate fixtures to replace, just high-performance Tier 4 final compliance systems that won't slow you down. Even the hydraulics help save fuel with Case's exclusive intelligent hydraulic system, which actively manages hydraulic power during lift, dump, and digging turning. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, The tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. Bauer Model BG45 is the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing approximately 170 tons, designed for subsea ground improvement. Such a giant machine is ideal for drilling bored piles up to 146 inches in diameter and 311 feet deep. Such a technologically powerful rig can handle the most demanding applications. It can also be converted to CFA moving mode, where it can install pipes up to 59 inches in diameter and 126 feet deep. The BG45 is a versatile machine for various foundation construction applications. Kubler Spedition transported several large ship parts from point A to point B for further transportation. The Inland Waterway Transportation Vessel, MS Udding, arrived in Bavaria Roth. The excursion ship arrived from a shipyard near Bonn and was brought ashore in two parts, the hull and the upper deck, using heavy-duty mobile cranes. On Monday evening, the transportation was carried out on a low-bed truck of the said company on a large highway. Transportation on the highway was a challenge for all involved because of the dimensions. The ship is 223 feet long, almost 32 feet wide, weighs about 400 tons, and costs about 5 million euros. You can see for yourself how this powerful forklift handled such a seemingly impossible task. The GU70 chainsaw is the world's most powerful machine for discovering and exploring tunnel caves. Thanks to a sling on the front frame, the track carrying the boom can rotate 360 degrees to make vertical and horizontal cuts in the tunnel surface. One operator is sufficient to operate the machine. This model includes a radio control and jack on the standard tracked undercarriage. This chainsaw can make cuts 125 inches deep in hard stone and marble. The machine can be configured to meet specific customer requirements. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-one strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-one mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. The single-point ripper you see on your screens has an angled tine design that provides optimum strength for ripping frozen ground, rocks, sidewalks, and other jobs that exceed capabilities of a heavy ground-moving bucket. This powerful excavator ripper is a versatile tool that goes beyond simply loosening hardened soil. Excavator rippers can also be used to remove stumps, root systems, and rebar. The Hamar Sideloader A Advanced Chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2- and 3-axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. Let's discuss the CH Series grader attachment, and it should be noted, it's the perfect solution for gravel road maintenance. The grader cuts and fills potholes, eliminates material from entering the machine itself, and leaves material directly outside, maneuvering easily in tight places and corners. This machine spreads and finishes soft and loose materials with ease, typically completing the job in just 1 or 2 passes. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks weighs up to 1 meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. The Lightwolf AgriPower Prinoth model is designed for work on steep slopes. Thanks to their climbing ability and large track contact area, they can perform heavy lifting work on difficult terrain, and thanks to their optimal weight distribution, they can climb even high and steep slopes much more easily and with greater stability than wheeled machines. In this video, the machine is shown in close contact with the M450 mulcher, and you can see the result of their fruitful cooperation. The tremendous traction and the ability to steeply turn vehicles on trails make spreading large volumes effortless. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. JCB telescopic loaders of Agri-Low-Doll model are characterized by high maneuverability, compact wheelbase, large angles of rotation limitation, which saves time on the farm, especially when working in limited conditions. The engine power of such a machine is 100 horsepower, and the engine displacement is 4.4 liters, with a torque of 320 Newton meters. The hydraulic pump capacity is 140 liters, the fuel tank capacity is 146 liters, and its maximum lifting capacity reaches 3.5 tons. With this loader on hand, you'll accomplish any task in no time at all. The Mechlift forklift model, ML1612R, is a unique machine, the only forklift with a lifting capacity of 16 to 18 tons that can easily drive into a standard container and moves quickly in confined spaces such as warehouses and marine vessels. Mechlift's various attachments expand the possibilities of using a single machine for different purposes. It can stack 20-foot containers in 3 tiers. The hydraulically raised cab provides excellent visibility for the operator, even when handling large loads. With this forklift, you have more space and better visibility, which has a positive effect on the safety of the load itself. The XL side-loading trailer features a 37-foot-long tub designed for a water volume of 23 cubic yards and a free volume of 33 cubic yards for efficient aggregate hauling. The tub tilts to either side to prevent tipping. Rely on the XL's rugged side tipper with a market-leading 2-year structural warranty. The trailer features 6 lights on each side, rubber LED lights, and dual-intensity center lights. Chemrock KSI is a Shockum injection attachment for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. The KSI injection attachment range was developed in cooperation with a German specialized civil engineering company and is the basis of the Shockum process. The Shockum process is a soil stabilization system using excavator attachments to inject and mix a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, KSI, which, when cured, create a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. The new line class ARF 8x8 is manufactured in high quality to meet the needs of the fire apparatus sector. Thanks to its lightweight and aerodynamic upper structure, composite alloy and twin-engine, 1,300 horsepower engine, the new line can reach the hearth of the fire in seconds, fearlessly tackling even the worst fires. All thanks to a fire pump that can easily pump 12,000 liters of water per minute. The Prinoth Panther T16 crawler is, on its own, a very powerful and productive machine. But what could be better when paired with the optional Terex TM125? This productive, high-tech duo is just perfect for all your power generation needs. And believe me, there is no task impossible with such powerful equipment. The Manitowoc 18,000 is capable of lifting loads of up to 750 tons, thanks to the Maxer counterweight, which demonstrates an optimal balance of reliability and mobility, and is characterized by a high lifting capacity and rather compact dimensions for a machine of its class. A wide range of maneuvering and stationary jibs, sections, and boom heads allows this machine to solve many tasks in modern construction. Let's talk about Chemrock's mounted rotary cutters. I'll tell you right away that when working with rotary cutters, each tool penetrates the rock in parallel lines, destroying the materials from the space between the lines. The cutting speed depends on the uniaxial compressive strength of the rock being broken. A significant factor that also affects productivity is the pressure and oil flow that the excavator applies to the attachment, as well as the weight and stability of the equipment itself. The RanchWorks Tandem Drum Aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using RanchTech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil breaking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. Featuring a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, this heavy-duty machine delivers the proven performance inherent in all Collier and Miller machines. The C&M channeler attachment is available to customers with a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration, or with the ability to be built to specific size requirements upon request. A road zipper barrier moving machine, also known as a zipper machine or road zipper, is a type of heavy-duty vehicle that is used to move concrete lane dividers to reduce congestion during peak hours. Many other cities use them temporarily during construction work. One of the advantages of barrier systems over other lane controls, such as traffic cones or overhead directional signals, is that a strong, reliable barrier actually prevents vehicle collisions. The SB4504 Airport Sweeper is the latest generation of VAMOS equipment that creates a whole new level of efficiency in snow removal. The combination of sweeper, plow, and blower gives maximum productivity even when operating at speeds above 37 miles per hour. The sweeper and blower features a quick-release plow and brush transport position for easy storage at any maintenance facility. The SB4504 Trailed Sweeper is a combination of futuristic design and innovative solutions. Auger Torque's hedge trimmer is the perfect complement to excavators, 1.5 to 8 tons, and offers various engine sizes to suit your application. Attaching to an excavator allows for a longer cutting range, providing access to taller trees, deeper hedges, etc. This powerful hedge trimmer is also ideal for cutting tall grass and shrubs, so your vegetation will always look well maintained and beautifully shaped. The Volvo A45G is a truly unique articulated hauler that is designed to haul heavy loads in challenging off-road conditions. This machine guarantees you smooth operation, proven Volvo technology, and an impressive level of comfort for sustainable business. The machine ensures high productivity and reduces cost per ton of load transported. Operators appreciate the Volvo A45G's comfortable cab and easy handling, even under the toughest conditions. The Leeboy 8520 is the ideal machine for the heavy commercial paving market. This machine is equipped with a larger engine and a larger capacity hopper to guarantee outstanding results. With the Leeboy's ultra-efficient material management system, the Leeboy slow-moving conveyor system moves material evenly from the truck to the smoothing plate for a simply flawless finish. Designed specifically for paving professionals, the Leeboy is a very robust design for the elite Leeboy family of pavers. Based on the special needs of people involved in beekeeping, the Hungarian company Gevex introduced its new hive crane called MMD 120 a few years ago. This productive machine has a special sail system, thanks to which it can be mounted directly on a vehicle. Such a machine quite satisfies the need of operators that the horizontal movement of the crane boom system, crane leveling, can be realized automatically in a short time instead of relatively slow mechanical adjustment. The C912S crawler dump truck is up to the task even on rough terrain. This powerful machine convinces with its high transport performance, relatively low emissions, economical consumption, and maximum safety. 2 hydrostatic power transmissions with constant full power, optimum weight distribution under any load, and a hydraulic parking brake for guaranteed safe holding even on extreme gradients, enable the dump truck to work on almost any terrain. Leveling the sandy zone on beaches is not an easy job. It is for this purpose that special technological machines have been created. How do they work? You have the opportunity to see a part of this process with your own eyes. Well, and modern technology can offer something a little more. What am I telling you? See for yourself. The Platinum Series 6-shooter manhole cutter from Mr. Manhole is designed to make every aspect of the cutting, removal, and repair process smarter, faster, and safer for crews. It features a heavier mainframe, a new easy drive system, and a larger cutting depth and diameter, making large-scale repairs quick and easy. The 6-shooter cuts diameters up to 72 inches and cuts 16 or 20 inches deep with optional blades. In addition to manhole frames, it can also cut water valves and make penetrations in roads for utility repairs with special optional equipment. For high-volume manhole frame removal, one operator can cut and remove a manhole frame in minutes. The XL BladeMate is a safe and efficient solution for transporting wind turbine blades of any size or brand. See how it extends over 184 feet in height. All telescoping trailer beams, as well as the retractable bumper, utilize proven XL retractable technology for easy retraction. Mega Swing can haul any semi-trailer, not just the small percentage that can be picked up by traditional pocket vans. As you can imagine, this represents a massive expansion of the rail transportation market, i.e., 100% of trailers on European roads, not just the current 5%. In addition, existing terminals can increase their volumes and market share by offering an intermodal solution for all semi-trailers. The technologically advanced M500E 1000 is a new forestry mulcher for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It is ideal for carriers up to 230 horsepower with hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120 to 260 LPM, 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment makes this model a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see for yourself on your screens how the M500E works. This TMC Cancella mulcher with hydraulic push frame and turbo clutch kit is a powerful machine specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stumps left after tree felling. But when combined with a Volvo excavator, for example, the machine is capable of working at quite a high altitude and can be used to mulch the tallest trees. The mulcher's build quality is very high, as high-quality steel and additional connecting elements were used for its production. The TII Surelay is a state-of-the-art and unique blade transport system that allows you to safely and economically transport bulky loads to their destination. The combination with a trailer unit is ideal for transporting heavy and very long propeller blades. The system consists of a 2-axle Jeep wagon, a freewheel unit with root adapter, plus a 4-axle trailer as a trailing unit or an optionally available freewheel unit directly coupled to the tractor, as well as a trailing unit. The Ukr Combi paving machine allows for bituminous binder placement, seal coating, lining, and adhesion, rough and fogging. It eliminates application difficulties associated with geographic and weather conditions, paver and gravel spreader incompatibility. It provides safer and better application in a very short time with fewer personnel. Spray widths can reach up to 14.4 feet thanks to computer-controlled telescopic arms. Cymex VSE screening buckets, designed to separate different size materials on the job site, are unique with their easy loading, elementary operation, and high productivity. Cymex's exclusive patent allows you to quickly adjust the size of the output screen material in just a few seconds using controls in the operator's cab. So you get a reliable helper that will do all the toughest work for you. Tiger Stone is a 236-inch wide paving machine that can be used to perfectly repair a street or road in one go. Tiger stone also provides edge finishing immediately. In the end, the stones are immediately and tightly fixed between the curbs. The street or road can be finished in one go, and there will be no debris on the road. With the Tiger Stone machine, builders can pave at least 200 square meters of road per day, compared to one conventional paver that can pave 75 to 100 meters per day. The powerful and stable RT125 heavy-duty trencher from Popular Ditch Witch is a true all-terrain machine that clearly deserves your attention. Its solid undercarriage, superior quad-track system, and 3-speed transmission with shiftable gears allows you to tackle any job site challenge. A comfortable operator's workstation with ergonomic swivel seat and control panel with increased legroom allows for increased productivity. With the RT125, there's no stopping you. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.